Alright, let's talk about one of the hottest topics in climate science: underground carbon storage. You might have heard that it's the silver bullet for global warming. Just suck the carbon out of the air and stash it deep underground, problem solved, right? Well, not so fast. Here's the myth. Some people believe that if we ramped up underground carbon storage, we could almost single-handedly halt global warming. But recent research is painting a different picture. Scientists now estimate that even if we scale up these efforts massively, we'd only reduce global warming by about 0.7 degrees Celsius. That's less than what earlier, more optimistic models suggested. Now, 0.7 degrees might sound small, but in climate terms, it's still significant. Every fraction of a degree matters. But let's be real, this isn't the climate miracle some were hoping for. Why is the impact smaller than expected? Well, first, capturing and storing carbon on a global scale is incredibly complex, expensive, and energy-intensive. And there are limits to how much carbon we can safely and permanently store underground. So, what's the reality? Underground carbon storage is a useful tool, but it's just one piece of a much bigger puzzle. We can't rely on it alone. To really tackle global warming, we need a mix of solutions: cutting emissions, ramping up renewables, improving energy efficiency, and yes, maybe some carbon storage too. Bottom line, carbon storage isn't a get-out-of-jail-free card for the climate, but used wisely, it can still help us buy time as we build a cleaner, greener future. Let's keep our eyes open, stay curious, and keep pushing